Ever stolen anyone's children? Huh? Have you? I mean, you look like you would.
Hello, what is this? Wow, this is hard. Wait, what? There are too many things from me.
Go, 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 go.
Ooh, next one. Oh my goodness, Angry Birds level creator. Look.
Eye of the tiger.
He does have the eye of the tiger.
Are you sure about that?
Mom. Where's the other bird? What? What? You got this. Yay. Well, that was fun. Okay. Let's add. Add done. Mexico. Didn't do anything. Wow! Yay! Next one.
Eat back anything that's said to me. Could you say hello? Are you gonna say?
Wow, so pretty. Play. Wow, this is a recreation of Angry Birds too. Ah. Excuse me, what the heck is that house? What? Yeah. What does that pumpkin do? Wow. What is that? Yeah, he's. Oh, look! A boxer! Wow! Wow, I think that's where I'm gonna make it this far. Next one. Oh. Wow, what is happening? Please. Wow. Bird attack. What? What? Please. Please. What? Wow, so beautiful. Wow. Man, what is the... Yeah, the feet those. Wow. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Wow, I used to have Fruit Ninja. Wow, yeah. Let's do this one. Okay. Terrace, bye-bye. Wow. So much soundtrack. No, yeah. Bye-bye. Bye, fatty. Bye, whatever this thing. Bye. No. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, weird thing. What is that even mean? Bye-bye, bye-bye.
No.
What the what? Plants vs. Zombies vs. Angry Birds. I have both of these games. What Bye. Goodbye. Good night.